I've already bought it. I mean, I cannot return it, and I also cannot leave it. I cannot say I will not wear it again. I have to find a way and wear it. It has to be worn in a water. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia ELEWUWA. Welcome back to my channel. You are blessed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia ELEWUWA. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing perfect. Anyway, on today's video I'm here to show you guys how I used almost Juvias palettes products on my face. Did I say Juvias palette? I don't know why I always say Juvias palettes. Like, why? I guess it's because they're always naming their products like kingdoms, princesses and all that, so I'm always calling them palettes. So it's Juvias Place, guys. Juvias Place products. There, I got some products of theirs and I tried them, you know, I used them for today's tutorial. And if you want to see how it went and all the products that I got, just stick with me and let's go. So guys, I actually got some new stuff from Juvias Place cosmetics. It's been a while I've been hearing of Juvias Place powder, Juvias Place, you know, foundation. They said it's a full coverage foundation, and then when you apply this foundation on your face, it can like cover all your sins and that of the world with just one swipe. Yes, it's no joke. Okay, I'm kidding. Anyway, it's a very full coverage foundation and the price is very reasonable. It has a price of a drugstore product, but the quality is very high. You understand? This is a high quality product with a very low price. So I've been hearing of it, you know, I've been seeing other beauty content creators mentioning it, using it, you know, saying great things about it, and I was like, oh, okay, let me you know, place an order and try it for myself. So I didn't just order only the foundation, I also ordered some powders, concealers, some matchsticks. I think is what they call it, matchsticks or shade sticks, something like that. And I also ordered some highlighters, some palettes. I know I already have 2 palettes from Juvia, but yeah, I ordered their newer palette. I think it's about 4 palettes and it was sold for $52. It's just mini palettes, but 4, so it's kind of a bundle. It came in a bundle. And then I ordered some concealers. I think I've mentioned concealers. So foundation, concealers, loose powders, highlighters, blushers, the shade sticks, and what again, and the lipstick, I think. Yeah, so these are the things I ordered from Juvia's Place. So on today's video I'm gonna be trying all those beautiful products that I got from Juvia's Place out to actually see if they are worth the hype. You know what I mean? Anyway, I've already seen it on people and it looks pretty amazing, and I just hope it turns out to be the same. Like when I swipe, just with one swipe, everything will just be like flawless. Anyway, this video is not sponsored. This video is not, I wasn't given any product to review. I just bought with my money. So, but if it's okay, I'm gonna give my good review. Who knows, you might also turn out to like it. So yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna start now because I've already prepped my face. I've already moisturized and primed, so my face is all ready for the foundation. So would you like to see the products I got, or I should just go ahead and make the video? I think I should show you. let me just show you guys, so yeah, so that you understand what I'm saying and see the products for yourself. So guys, for the palettes I bought the Juvias place. This is the chocolates, I think the chocolates by Juvia. Okay, and this is what the chocolate looks like. It's just a very beautiful chocolatey palette. And then from the Juvia's palette also, I got the Juvia's place. I got this beautiful shade, and this is the nudes. As you can see, the nudes, and this is what it looks like. And I also got Juvia's place, the berries. So this is the berries, and I also got the violets, and this is what it looks like. Sorry about that. So this is what the violets look like. So all these 4 palettes are bundle palettes. They sell it individually, but they also sell it in bundle, meaning when you buy it in bundle, it comes in a lower price, and who wants to spend money when you can get something in a lower price? So these are the 4 palettes, bundle palettes. So I'm gonna be trying them out one by one. Today I'm gonna use one to do my for my eyeshadows, for my makeup, one of the palettes. I don't know which one to choose from, but you guys will know. So, and then I'll just be interchanging each time, each week or whatever. Anyway, so I also got Juvia's place, the Sahara blush volume 1. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, so this is a blusher. All these are blushers. And I also got the Juvia's place, the Sahara volume 2, Sahara blush volume 2, and this is what volume 2 looks like. So I've made this order for some time now. I think it's been up to 10 days to 2 weeks, and I've been waiting patiently for it to come, but because of this whole COVID-19 issues, it was difficult, but finally it arrived. That was 2 days ago, and I'm really happy that I got it. So I'm just gonna be trying them out. So I also got the Juvia's place loose powder. So this is the I Am Magic setting powder. This is in the shade Sahara. I Am Magic loose powder, and this is Sahara. So this is what Sahara looks like. It's a little tinted, even though it's not that tinted. It's kind of, almost white. So I got this. I've forgotten how much I got this one, because I think it was around $12 or below, kind of, because I think they were doing sales as of the time I got it. So this one is also the Juvia's place I Am Magic setting powder, but in the shade Kalahari. So Kalahari is more tinted than the Sahara. Is this Sahara or Savannah? The Sahara. So this is Kalahari. As you can see, it has a more yellowish tone, and it's really nice. So I got the 2 because I'll be using one to do all over my face setting, and the other one for baking. Anyway, as the spirit leads. So I went ahead to get the highlighter. This highlighter is very beautiful, very pigmented, very, very, very bright. So this is the Royalty 2 by Juvias loose highlighter, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very tinted, so I'm just gonna swipe this one. Let's see what it gives us. So I'll be showing you guys. Let me swipe it. So you see how reflective and beautiful it's looking. See. So this is the highlighter. It's very beautiful, very reflective, and really, really nice. So it's a loose highlighter, and I'm so happy that I'm gonna be trying it out. And this is the concealer that I got. So this is the number 13. I got it in number 13. So this is what this concealer looks like. You can see the shade. So all these things, seriously, I don't know if they're gonna be my shade, but I just hope they will be. And this is the foundation, guys. This is the foundation, Juvia's Place full coverage foundation. This is the I Am Magic Velvety matte foundation, and I got my own in the shade Savannah. As you can see, Savannah, and this is Savannah 440. So I just hope this will be my shade. And then I also got the Juvia's Place, what is it called? This is just a lipstick, and it's in the shade Soy Matte. Soy Matte. So this is what it looks like. I don't know what color it's gonna be giving me, or it's gonna give me at the end, but we'll find out because I'm gonna be using it. Okay, so one more thing. I got these shade sticks from them also. So these shade sticks you can use as a contour stick, you can also use as foundation, you can also use as concealer. So it's like a multi-purpose shade stick, and yeah, it came in 6. I have forgotten how much I bought it. Seriously, I've forgotten. I'll have to check if I'm to say. But they were on sales when I got it as a bundle. It was more, less expensive. So beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so these ones are the in the tan group. Tan for the tan people, not so dark, not so light, not too dark, not dark, but tan, so this is their shade. So I wanted to get the dark also, but they were out of stock. It would have made more sense, but nevertheless I'm gonna be rocking all these ones 100%. So this is how it came. I just opened them up so that I won't be wasting time. This is what the packaging looks like. Guys, I'm sorry that I'm doing all these reviews and all, but I just thought I needed to do it, change of product. I also ordered some other stuff, and they are also on their way. I don't know when they're gonna come, but hopefully they will come. This whole pandemic issue, the whole jiggy waka waka, everything is just making things, turning things upside down, but hopefully I'm gonna get them very soon, and I'll also show you guys. Anyway, for the sake of, please guys, bear with me. If this video happened to be too long, just bear with me.